Hey, this is Brian with Saigon Cribs. Yo, let's check out this one-bedroom apartment.
I provide a service. The world wants what we have, and they want it cheap.
Now, this is a really nice service apartment that's available for rent. It's in downtown Ho Chi Minh City, okay? This is the heart of the city. You can walk to most of the great attractions like the Bouvian Walking Street, Benton Market, a lot of shops, malls, 24-hour convenience stores. The kitchen is fully equipped. You got your cooking stove, microwave, hot water kettle, everything you need. Look at this really nice lounge here that you have. A nice lounge sofa. You can definitely do Netflix and chill.
I think it's Netflix and chill.
Have some friends over. Nice eatery, dining set there as well. Walk into the bathroom here. Enclosed shower. Really nice fixtures. This is a service apartment. It also is cleaned and scrubbed every week. You got a really nice big bed, queen size bed with a nice table, work table or makeup table there as well, and a decent view. So this is the front of the building, so you also get a nice balcony as well. But this is a really, really nice space. And when you book this apartment, you're going to get a $50 cash back, as well as getting a brand new bed set. So this is really, really cool. Really nice space. Come out there and chill, get some fresh air if you're a smoker. A lot of my clients are smokers, request balconies like that too. So really nice space. Give us a call, holler us on WhatsApp or Zalo, get you set up. Saigon Chris, yeah.